Hey guys, I'm Anand, your tech guide from Tech Store, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the latest Asus Zenbook UX425E series of laptops. And after watching this video, you'll be able to make a buying decision on this laptop. So before buying this laptop, please watch this video to the full extent. Let's do it. So the laptop here on the top has got nice aluminum finish. The laptop is entirely metallic in case, absolutely no polycarbonate whatsoever. That is the feature of the Asus Zenbook series, the UX425E. It's got the customary brushed metal rounded finish, as you can see on the top over here. This is a 14-inch form factor laptop, very thin and slim. On the left side, you will have one HDMI port, one USB C-type charging pin connector, another C-type charging pin connector, and you have a charging pin indicator. Very slim. It's the world's slimmest laptop with full I/O ports basically. On the front there are no I/O ports whatsoever. On the right you have a battery indicator, and you have a memory card, SDMMC card reader, mini card, and you have a full USB 3.0 port. So only one full USB 3.0 port, so that Asus could come out with the slimmest laptop that the world has seen with full I/O ports. On the rear you have the vents over here. The vents get blocked once the laptop screen is opened, that we will show it to you. The base is absolutely clutter free. We will dig deep into the base and show you what all you can upgrade, and the speaker is over here, 1 and 2. We'll check the speaker quality also. Once you open the laptop, the screen is simply incredible. It's got 400 nits value IPS, full sRGB, very true and vivid colors. Absolutely IPS panel screen and amazing viewing angles actually. It has got a web camera and a dual array microphone. We will check how the microphone and the webcam are. Very nano bezel, 3-sided nano bezel screen, almost edge to edge. It looks kind of an infinity screen to be precise, anti-glare, and you have the Zenbook Asus mentioned over here, and the keyboard being 14 inches looks a pretty large keyboard actually. The key size is much larger than the normal Asus laptops, and very premium keyboard. The key travel is very good. The touchpad here is a numpad also, so we will show you how the numpad works here. It has got this small icon. Once pressed, the lighting comes up and you see a numpad inside the touchpad. So there's a good innovation from Asus. Entirely metallic, again inside the same color as there in the base as well as in the top panel is continued on the inside also. The keyboard layout was very impressive for me. It comes with a Core i5 11th generation processor and Iris Xe graphics, and it comes preloaded with Home and Office Student 2019. It comes with face login and also it comes with the 15-hour battery life assured. At least 10 to 11 hours battery it will come. We have tested it, and 10 hours is absolutely not a problem on this laptop. This is an actual webcam shot from the Asus UX425E, and as you can see, the video quality is very good. Even the audio is too good actually, and because of the good speakers in this laptop, you will see the audio quality be much better when you record a video using this web camera. So thumbs up on the web camera for Asus. So let's check the speaker quality. Harman Kardon is the certification on this Zenbook, so I'm very sure the audio quality is going to be good. Let's look at it. this is one of the most incredible speakers that I have come across in a laptop. Now the Zenbook with Harman Kardon, I think it beats any other laptop in this segment hands down for the speakers and the camera also, as we have already showcased to you. So thumbs up on the speakers, very loud and absolutely not tinny, good bass. The bass is absolutely phenomenal. I was not expecting this kind of bass actually on this laptop, so thumbs up on the speakers here. Let's see if the laptop opens with a one-hand operation. Very comfortably. This goes on to show the fluidity of the hinges here, and of as many laptops, the hinges that we could see were very flexible, showing that this laptop is going to go a long way in terms of the hinges and durability. The max that it can tilt is approximately 145 degrees or so. So now this laptop comes with a very unique feature of having the numpad onto the touchpad itself. This is numpad icon over here. So if you deep press, you will see the numpad coming up, and looks incredible in the night when you're working, and gives a business user access to a numpad when doing numerical calculations is really worth having a 14 inches laptop with the ease of having a numpad in hand. So thoughtfully designed Asus. Again, you put it like this. Again, you deep press. So we'll just show you. The best part is the mousepad still works when the numpad is also on. So a very good addition by Asus. The backlit also is very nice. These are the brightness levels. This is off, level 1, level 2, level 3. So quite a bright backlit keyboard that Asus gives you. The Zenbook ships with a 65 watt charging adapter, and the cable design and the charger design is little different than the normal basic ones. You will see a good texture on the charger, which looks very neat, and a matte finish on the charger here. The adapter is a 65 watt adapter, and the power ratings are 20 volts and 3.25 ampere, and looks a very rugged adapter. Even the power cable also has a very good rugged design. Actually, you can see it is a C-type charger that Asus gives with this particular laptop. First thing first, we need to flip the laptop, and you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws which are visible, and 2 screws, one here, which are hidden behind the rudders. So take a screwdriver, T5 screwdriver basically, and start removing the screws here. This is a long one, so need to keep it aside. Just need to remove the rudders over here. They're held by double-sided stick ring tape. They'll come off like this. The screws are hidden inside. Now take a triangular prier like this and start protruding from the sides. Once this top panel comes off, then you need to just remove the base covering. So this is the inners of the Asus Zenbook UX425E, and as you can see, Asus has made it pretty much non-configurable. So let's start with the battery first. Need to remove these screws over here. Now take the battery out. The notch that is holding onto the battery power connector, you just need to push it up so that you can remove the battery and its connector along, and the battery connector comes off. So this is the battery. It is quite a huge 67 watt hour 3-cell battery, which will give you a comfortable backup of around 8 to 9 hours on a normal usage. So good job on the battery over here. So if you want to buy a battery, say 2 years, 3 years down the lane, you have used this laptop, then the model is C41N1904-1. This is the battery that you need to buy. Now this is the touchpad cable, this is the keyboard cable, this is the backlit, the fan here. Let's start with the SSD. The SSD is located over here. Let's remove these two screws. It's protected by a heatsink. So by default it comes with a Intel NVMe SSD 660p series. So say you want to upgrade the SSD to up to 1 terabyte, you can just take this same SSD type NVMe. It can be a PCI Express Gen 3 or Gen 4 operating up to 3500 Mbps also, absolutely fine. You can take this SSD and you can insert the SSD like this, put the heatsink back, and need to put the screws back onto it. As you can see, this is the only thing that can be configured in this particular laptop. You cannot upgrade the RAM. There's no available capacity for putting a SATA hard drive also or additional SSD. So not all that great and satisfying after paying that kind of a money here in India, approximately 70,000 rupees for Asus Zenbook here in India. So this is the Wi-Fi chip, again non-configurable. This is the fan here. So in a scenario you want to replace the fan or remove the fan, 1, 2 and 3 screws you have to remove, and 1, 2, 3, 4 screws of the heatsink, and the entire fan assembly will come off. This is where the fan power connector is. This is the LED cable connector. So in a scenario you don't have a display on the screen, just remove this particular cable and again reinsert it. Many times the display comes back. This is the speaker here, 1 and 2 speakers here, and this is the wiring. Both the speaker wiring goes over here itself. So you need to remove this very comfortably. You can just remove the screw. If you want to replace the speaker in a scenario your speaker is not working, you can remove this, and this entire wiring has to be just removed, and you can put another speaker in your laptop. These are the Wi-Fi antennas, 1 and 2. Wi-Fi antenna here is placed over the speaker, so not a very good design actually, because it interferes with the magnetics. So let's put things back. I need to put the battery back. Now take this notch and just press it. Put the connector back. So now you should know why you should buy this laptop and why not you should buy this laptop. Buy this laptop if you are a business user and you have a full day's work that you want to do on your laptop, 8 to 10 hours battery backup, and you want to carry it very light everywhere. You don't care if it is 8 GB or 16 GB. 8 GB is sufficient for all your work usage, and you don't want to upgrade the RAM. You want a very good camera, you want good speaker quality, you want a very good screen, 100% sRGB screen, very vivid 400 nit screen, IPS panel screen. You should go for this particular laptop. It has got all the IO ports. Being the slimmest laptop in this particular category, the world's slimmest laptop, it's got full IO ports, 2 C-type ports and 1 USB 3.0 port, and the speeds are absolutely blitzkrieg. Asus has ensured that it is delivering the best performance in this particular category. Now it has got Intel memory S660p, which clocks around 2500 to 3000 Mbps read-write, and a Core i5 11th generation for this Zenbook. There are Core i7 variants also, which are costlier. The price bracket here in India is around 72,000 rupees, and you can always negotiate. So 72,000 is what you have to shell out if you want to buy a laptop. And why you should not buy if you want to upgrade the RAM, if you want to put a secondary hard drive or secondary SSD. So because the max SSD upgrade capacity, the hard drive or the storage is about 1 terabyte. So you come pre-installed with 512 GB SSD. The max that you can put is a 1 terabyte SSD. Remove the 512 GB and put a 1 terabyte SSD. So if storage is something that you are looking, then this is not what I would suggest. Even the RAM is not upgradable. The RAM is soldered onto the laptop. The Wi-Fi chip is soldered onto the laptop, does not have a graphics card. So if you're looking at photography and a lot of editing, a lot of video editing, content creation, then this is not the laptop that you should buy. This is a content consumption kind of a laptop where you can take it around, flaunt it in front of many other people because it looks really sexy. So this, my friends, was a video showing you the Asus Zenbook UX425V. Hope you like the video. In this video we have shown you how to basically upgrade the SSD and access the inners. You can also replace the battery in a scenario you want to do it after 2 to 3 years of usage. And basically you cannot upgrade anything else but the SSD. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do let us know suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us. Remember, we take a lot of effort to make these videos. Do subscribe to us. Thank you.